is a remote. It doesn't look like one, and that's a good thing. A touch dims the lights. A touch controls the music. A touch becomes a simple and quick way to talk to your home. Meet Turn Touch, a solid wood remote that controls devices, lights, and apps with a simple touch. Begin your day with one push of a button, and your alarm silences. The lights turn on, and the thermostat turns up the temperature. With Turn Touch, you can quickly wake up your house so you can focus on getting yourself up. You can even use it to read the news. Turn Touch can connect to any plug-in in your house. Use it to control a tea kettle, your speakers, even a lava lamp. And because the remote connects to your phone, you can take it anywhere, like your backyard. Use it to play music, practice yoga, or take a selfie. Sculpted from natural wood and mother of pearl, each remote is unique. At home again, stay focused by using your remote to make it just right. It's easy to find the lighting you want without distraction. And when it's time for bed, press a single button to put your house to sleep. Dozens of apps fit neatly into only 4 buttons. Turn Touch. Beautiful control.
I'm here to tell you about an invention that will revolutionize a chore that we all love to hate, cleaning the toilet. Recognize this? The classic toilet brush design has remained unchanged for decades. The sad fact is it's completely unfit for purpose. The bristles clog up very easily, meaning they're extremely unhygienic and hard to clean. They retain water, meaning they drip everywhere. And they're also extremely inefficient. You have to scrub back and forth, and they never clean under the rim. 2 years ago, I decided to do something about it.
In 2013, Gary brought together a team of product designers, engineers and material specialists and went into the lab to work on a new product that would help change the way that toilets are cleaned forever. With its patented Swipe Clean technology, the silicone blades follow the contours of the toilet bowl and reach under the rim with ease, swiping the surface clean. A silver-based additive kills germs both during and after cleaning and helps cut down bleach use. The blades do not get clogged up like bristles and have a hydrophobic coating that sheds water and dries quickly. A hollow point head feature also helps clear blockages. Air flows freely through the holder to quickly evaporate any remaining moisture. Let's look at how Loo-Blade helps overcome the main failings of the toilet brush. The bristles of a toilet brush quickly become clogged, which is hard to dislodge, especially after it has dried. With a Loo-Blade, the smooth, flat surfaces are easily kept clean and clear with just a gentle shake. After shaking, look how much potentially germ-filled and smelly water is still contained in the brush. Loo-Blade's hydrophobic coating ensures that all water is almost immediately removed. The bristles of a brush only touch part of the surface, which is why you need to scrub back and forth to get things clean. With continuous contact, Loo Blade swipes the surface clean in a single pass.
GoFar is an intelligent in-car device that empowers you to drive your current car smarter, cutting your time in traffic, your emissions, and your fuel use. It works by utilising the science behind your car's engine. For every engine speed, there's a sweet spot, an optimum throttle position that maximises your power and minimises your fuel consumption. It's where your car runs best. Driving in the sweet spot saves fuel, which saves money and cuts emissions. But the sweet spot is different for every engine, and unless you're a part of a Formula One race team, it's very difficult to find. Not anymore. GoFar finds your car's unique sweet spot and uses real-time feedback to guide you there. The display glows blue when you're in a sweet spot and red when you're wasting energy. Real-time feedback works, and in trials, GoFar cut fuel use by 13 to 22%.
Learn lifelong habits and drive safer, greener and cheaper. Get GoFar in your car and drive happy.
Hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home, at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 980 vacuum cleaning robot, the power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 980 is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation system, the 980 seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface. Working non-stop for up to 2 hours, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 980 map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experiences of over 13 million Roomba owners. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. A spinning side brush gently sweeps wall edges and corners. It expertly avoids stairs, deals with clutter, and hunts down dirt and dust wherever it hides, before performing a final edge clean for the perfect finish. Beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 980's cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the 980 from just about anywhere at any time. In short, the Roomba 980 takes care of all the hard work on the floor, leaving you free to take care of the other things life sends your way. For beautifully vacuumed floors every day, throughout your home, the Roomba 980, the